Hi, my name is Teresa Bruni and I am the healer at Less Fear, More Flow. Today we're going to talk all about energy healing crystals right after this short video intro. So I'll be right back. In just a moment, I'm going to show you something that you can get immediate benefit from, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's talk about energy healing crystals. The list of crystals and gemstones with healing qualities is quite lengthy. Many people believe that everything we need to heal is found right on this earth, and that includes energy healing crystals and gemstones. The difference between crystals and gemstones is that a crystal is made up of atoms and ions. These atoms and ions are arranged in a definite order and structure. There may be crystals located right where you live, but you might not notice because they haven't been cut and polished. A gemstone, on the other hand, is a mineral that is very precious and occurs only in limited geographical areas, kind of like diamonds. A crystal may be referred to as a gemstone, but a gemstone would never be called a crystal. I'm going to go over a few of both to give you a brief overview of the power of energy healing crystals and gemstones. First, we have the amethyst, which is great for stress relief, protection, and dispersing negative energies. Turquoise, which is very popular in the southwest of the United States, is used to create inner calmness, grounding, and clarity. Abalone is used for healing and soothing during emotionally stressful times. Jade is for luck, harmony, and prosperity. The ruby is for passion, love, and strength. And the garnet helps to manifest healing and create self-worth. The opal is used for wealth, luck, and protection from negative energies. Topaz is for honesty, forgiveness, and truth. And the diamond is for purity, truth, and protection. These energy healing crystals and gemstones can be affordable or quite expensive, depending on the size and type. For instance, a diamond is going to cost much more money than an opal of the same size. However, I've seen large amethysts that have sold for tens of thousands of dollars. Crystals and gemstones hold their own vibration, which is how they help you to heal. I wish you much luck in your search for energy healing crystals, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more information about energy healing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this video and what you'd like to see in the future. Leave me any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, now for the promise I made in the beginning. I have a free 38-page e-course just for you. It's entitled Decoding the Messages from Your Body, Healing Your Body by Understanding How It Works. Simply go to teresabruni.com/decode to download your free course. This simple e-course will help you understand your body and the messages it's sending. After completing the course, you'll have a greater appreciation for your body and how it's working. Your physical symptoms will begin to release, and you'll be one step closer to greater health. Again, go to teresabruni.com/decode. That's teresabruni.com/decode. Enter your email address and begin your course today.